Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a mojito with Kinley soda. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 2 ounces of quality white rum, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. The final key ingredient is approximately 4 ounces of Kinley soda, which will provide that delightful fizz. These simple components come together to create a truly refreshing beverage. Now, let's get to the heart of the flavor. In a sturdy glass, combine your 10 to 12 mint leaves, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Gently muddle these ingredients together. The goal is to release the fragrant oils from the mint, not to shred the leaves. Over-muddling can introduce bitterness. Once muddled, pour in your 2 ounces of white rum and give it a good stir to blend everything nicely. Next, it is time to chill and carbonate your mojito. Fill your glass completely with crushed ice. Crushed ice is ideal because it chills the drink rapidly and provides a consistent temperature throughout. Carefully pour your muddled mint, sugar, lime, and rum mixture over the ice. Then, slowly top off your drink with approximately 4 ounces of crisp Kinley soda. This adds the perfect amount of effervescence and a refreshing finish. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and enjoy your creation. Garnish your perfectly crafted mojito with a fresh sprig of mint. You can also add a lime wedge or wheel to the rim for an extra touch of elegance and citrus aroma. Serve your mojito immediately to ensure it is at its peak of freshness and fizziness. This simple, straightforward method guarantees a delicious and refreshing drink every single time you make it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.